Now, let's take a look at the software management portal in ThingSpace. From the ThingSpace IoT portal dashboard, click on the software link in the navigation bar to the left. On the software page, you will see all available software updates for your devices. Software parameters include the software name, the software make and model, and the software from or current version, and the to or update version. Let's discuss the current, from, and to versions. The current version is the actual current version of the device pre-campaign. It refers to the from version within the campaign itself. The to version will be the actual current version of the device post-campaign. To acquire more information on a software update, click on the name. Here you can see the software details as well as those devices that are eligible for this update. There are several ways to create a software update campaign. When a new software update is available, ThingSpace requires you to run a pilot campaign of up to 20 of your devices. This allows you to confirm that the updates were installed as expected by your devices. We also provide metadata about the update in pilot campaigns under Campaign Summary. You can run as many pilot campaigns as you like. Once you run a pilot campaign with over 50% success rate, the 20 device limit is lifted and the software is labeled as pilot verified. From the software page, choose the software name. Then click on the campaign icon at the top right and create a campaign. In the Create a Campaign window, you will be presented with the total number of devices that are eligible to receive this software update. First, you can continue from here and update all eligible devices, or you can go back to the Devices page and utilize any of the provided filtering options. From the Devices page, you can perform filtering, allowing you to be specific to only those devices that you wish to update. First, change the table view to software. Then, click on Filter at the top right. There are many filtering parameters that are available. For this example, we will use Software. Select a software make and model, a software upgrade name that is eligible for your devices, a from version, and a to version. Then click Apply. From here, you can create a campaign. Select the device, click on the cloud icon at the top right, then create a campaign. Back on the Create a Campaign window, if you choose to update all devices, click on Continue with All. Enter a campaign name, then choose a campaign date option. You can choose to start as soon as possible, or you can choose a start date. Software updates are based on a device check-in system for devices using HTTP as the FOTA protocol. If you select Start as soon as possible, a default window of 7 days will be set, allowing for the device to check in. When those devices check in to the FOTA server, they will learn when they should download and install the software. This policy will instruct them to, for example, download and install immediately, or only download and install the software within a specific time window. After the installation is complete, or if there were errors, the device will report back the status of the install to ThingSpace. This detail will be available in the ThingSpace Software Management Campaign Summary. If you select the Choose Start Date option, you can specify a date range. Then, based on the device's local time, select a time window. This will indicate when the device or devices can start the download and/or install the software. Then, click on Create. If you set a time window from 9 to 10 a.m. and a device checks in at 12 p.m., the update will not happen on that same day. Instead, it will happen on the following day within the specified time window. Once you create a campaign, you can view its status on the campaign's dashboard. It may take a few seconds to display, so just refresh your page. The initial status of the campaign will show Request Pending. From here, it could take up to 15 minutes to update the status. If, when you scheduled your campaign, you chose as soon as possible, your next status update will show Scheduled. Click on the name of the campaign to view the campaign summary. The status here shows that the device was accepted. Also, under Details, it shows Success with a time and date stamp. However, if you scheduled your campaign for a future time, this status will show Queued until the start date when it moves to Scheduled. Your final campaign status will show Ended. You can view all campaigns that have been created by going to the Campaigns page by accessing the link in the navigation bar to the left. The parameters on the campaign page include the campaign name, the campaign status. As you see, this campaign is in Request Pending status, the start date, the software version you will be updating to, the total number of devices attached to this upgrade, the FOTA make and model, and actions where you can cancel a campaign in progress. You can also click on the campaign name to view its properties page. Be sure to check out our next videos on ThingSpace software management.